Choosing the right vanity mirror can transform your makeup and grooming routine, making it easier and more enjoyable. Whether you need a mirror with adjustable lighting, magnification, or sleek design, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best vanity mirrors for this year. These mirrors cater to various needs, from perfect lighting to multifunctionality. Let's dive in and find the one that's perfect for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Riki loves Riki mirror. The Riki loves Riki mirror is an innovative, high-tech vanity mirror designed for makeup enthusiasts. Known for its sleek and modern design, this mirror offers a premium experience for those who want a compact yet powerful beauty tool. It's the perfect mirror for anyone looking for a portable solution with professional lighting quality. Ideal for home use or on the go, it combines style with practicality. Key features: the Riki loves Riki mirror features bright LED lights that simulate natural sunlight, offering 3 different light settings: daylight, evening, and warm lighting. The mirror is Bluetooth enabled, allowing you to connect your phone and listen to music while getting ready. It has a rechargeable battery, so you won't have to worry about plugging it in every time you use it. The mirror also comes with a magnification attachment for detailed makeup application. Benefits and usage: this mirror's lighting is one of its strongest points, providing a bright and consistent glow for flawless makeup application. The Bluetooth functionality lets you multitask by playing music or podcasts while getting ready. The magnification feature allows you to do precise eyebrow shaping, eyeliner application, or other fine tasks with ease. Whether you're at home or traveling, the portable and rechargeable design ensures you never have to worry about finding an outlet. Usability: the Riki loves Riki mirror is incredibly easy to use. It's lightweight and compact, making it perfect for any countertop or vanity. The touch-sensitive controls allow for simple adjustments of light intensity, and the Bluetooth connectivity is straightforward. Whether you're a beauty pro or someone who just wants an easy-to-use mirror, this one is user-friendly and functional. Durability: despite its sleek and light design, the Riki loves Riki mirror is quite durable. It's built with high-quality materials to withstand daily use, and the LED lights are energy-efficient and long-lasting. The rechargeable battery ensures that you won't need to replace it often, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term use. In the second spot, we have Jerdon Trifold Mirror. The Jerdon Trifold Mirror is a classic choice for anyone looking for a mirror with ample surface space and versatile angles. This mirror is designed with 3 panels, offering you an expanded reflection for full-face makeup application. Whether you need it for grooming, makeup, or hairstyling, this mirror has you covered with its adjustable design and impressive features. Key features: the Jerdon Trifold Mirror has a large central mirror with 2 adjustable side panels, allowing for a 180-degree view of your face. It also features a built-in 5x magnification mirror on one of the side panels, which is perfect for detailed tasks like applying eyeliner or plucking eyebrows. The mirror is equipped with bright LED lighting, which can be dimmed or brightened to match your environment. Benefits and usage: this mirror provides a wider field of view, making it easier to apply makeup and perform skincare routines. The adjustable side mirrors are great for getting a closer look at different angles, which is especially helpful when applying eyeshadow or foundation. The 5x magnification panel allows you to get up close and personal for precision tasks, and the adjustable lighting ensures you're always ready, no matter the time of day. Usability: setting up the Jerdon Trifold Mirror is simple, and it's easy to find your preferred angle with the adjustable side panels. The LED lighting has a touch-sensitive dimmer, making it easy to change the light intensity based on your surroundings. It's a straightforward design that requires minimal effort to set up and use. Durability: built with sturdy materials, the Jerdon Trifold Mirror is durable and designed for long-term use. The LED lights are designed to last, and the adjustable panels are well built for continuous use without wear or breakage. The mirror is stable and holds up well over time, making it a reliable and durable option. Coming in at number 3 is the Conair double-sided mirror. The Conair double-sided mirror is a simple yet highly effective vanity mirror that combines dual magnification with bright LED lighting. It's designed for those who want precision when applying makeup or grooming. Its compact and space-saving design is perfect for small spaces and travel, offering versatility without compromising on performance. Key features: the Conair double-sided mirror features a 1x magnification on one side and a 7x magnification on the other. The 7x side is perfect for close-up tasks such as applying makeup or checking your skin's condition. The mirror has built-in LED lighting, which ensures you always have bright, even illumination for your beauty routine, and it operates with a battery-powered design for added convenience. Benefits and usage: this mirror allows you to flip between regular and magnified views with ease, making it perfect for tasks requiring both precision and a full face view. The LED lighting provides natural illumination, enhancing the accuracy of your makeup application. It's ideal for everyday use, from skincare routines to applying makeup, as well as travel-friendly for those on the go. Usability: the Conair double-sided mirror is extremely user-friendly, with a simple on-off switch for the LED lights. The mirror rotates to give you full access to both magnifications, and its sturdy design means you won't have to worry about it wobbling. The battery-operated design makes it portable and hassle-free, perfect for use at home or when traveling. Durability: made with quality materials, the Conair double-sided mirror is built to last. Its sturdy frame ensures stability, and the LED lighting is energy efficient. The battery-operated function is convenient, and you won't need to worry about replacing it frequently. Overall, this mirror is a durable and long-lasting option for those in need of a reliable beauty tool. Taking our fourth spot is Vanity Planet Rechargeable Mirror. The Vanity Planet Rechargeable Mirror is a high-end, modern vanity mirror designed for those seeking premium quality. Equipped with customizable lighting and a rechargeable battery, it is perfect for those who need a reliable, eco-friendly mirror with consistent performance. This mirror delivers clear, bright illumination for all your beauty needs. Key features: this mirror features LED lighting with 3 different light settings: cool, neutral, and warm, allowing you to adjust the lighting to match your environment. It also has a built-in rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for constant battery changes. The 1x magnification is ideal for general makeup application, while the 5x magnification is perfect for detail-oriented tasks. Benefits and usage: the customizable lighting ensures that you can use this mirror for any occasion, whether you need bright light for daytime or a softer glow for nighttime. The rechargeable feature makes it eco-friendly and cost-effective in the long run. Whether you're applying makeup, grooming, or performing skincare, the Vanity Planet Rechargeable Mirror provides an efficient and precise experience. Usability: this mirror is incredibly easy to use with its simple touch controls for adjusting light settings. The rechargeable battery is convenient for both at-home and on-the-go use. The mirror's sleek design adds a modern touch to any vanity setup, while its compact form makes it easy to store or carry around. Durability: constructed from durable materials, the Vanity Planet Rechargeable Mirror is designed to withstand frequent use. The LED lights are long-lasting, and the rechargeable battery ensures consistent performance for a long time. It's built to last, making it a wise investment for beauty lovers who want a reliable mirror for years. And finally, at number 5, we have Fancii LED Lighted Mirror. The Fancii LED Lighted Mirror is a budget-friendly yet high-performance mirror that doesn't skimp on quality. It features LED lighting, offering adjustable brightness levels to provide the ideal lighting for all your beauty routines. Whether you're applying makeup, plucking eyebrows, or doing your skincare, this mirror is a reliable and convenient tool. Key features: the Fancii LED Lighted Mirror features 1x magnification, perfect for an all-around view, and comes with a built-in LED light that provides bright, natural illumination. The lighting is adjustable to 3 levels, allowing you to control the intensity based on your preference. This mirror is also compact, lightweight, and easy to transport, making it great for travel. Benefits and usage: this mirror's LED lighting provides consistent, even illumination, which is crucial for makeup application and grooming tasks. The adjustable brightness ensures you can customize the lighting to fit your needs, whether you're in a dim room or bright daylight. Its compact and portable design makes it great for both home use and travel. Usability: the Fancii LED lighted mirror is incredibly user-friendly. The touch-sensitive controls allow you to adjust the brightness levels with ease. It's compact and lightweight, which makes it easy to carry or store. Whether you need it at home or on the go, it's a practical choice for everyday use. Durability: despite being affordable, the Fancii LED lighted mirror is built to last. Its high-quality construction ensures durability, and the LED lights have a long lifespan, providing years of consistent performance. The mirror's sturdy design makes it reliable for frequent use, making it a great value for money. And there you have it, our roundup of the best vanity mirrors for this year. Whether you're looking for something sleek, portable, or packed with features, there's a mirror on this list for everyone. Let us know in the comments which one you'd like to try, or if you have a favorite vanity mirror of your own. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more reviews and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and happy grooming!